Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your laptop won't interrupt the update. Plug in the charger and join a stable Wi-Fi or wired network. Once done, back up important files using File History or OneDrive so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Make sure you have around 20% free disk space and quit resource-heavy apps. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates to start downloading immediately. You'll now manage the middle of the process, downloads and drivers. Let Windows fetch cumulative and any feature updates. Watch the KB numbers so you can track progress. Next, open optional updates to review driver and firmware packages. Install critical drivers here. If a device still misbehaves, open Device Manager or your laptop maker's updater to install the recommended driver. Make sure to avoid interrupting downloads. If download stalls, click Retry and monitor network activity. You're finishing up. Accept restart prompts and allow any automatic reboots so Windows can configure updates fully. Once the system is back, open Settings and view Update History to confirm successful installs and note any failed KB numbers. Make sure drivers and apps start correctly and test basic functions like Wi-Fi and sound. If an update fails or the system misbehaves, run Settings Troubleshoot Windows Update Troubleshooter. That single tool resolves many common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.